Hi everyone, today I'm going to show you how to make a banana bread with raisins and chocolate chips. So enjoy! To avoid the cake from sticking, I usually put butter in the bottom of the pan. So it's just gonna be spread all over the bottom. Here I added 1/2 cup butter and less than 3/4 cups of brown sugar, and then I have to mix them all to cream both the butter and the sugar. You also have the option to use egg beater for this process. For one recipe, you add 2 eggs, 2 beaten eggs. You will also need 2 cups of all-purpose flour, 1 teaspoon of baking soda, and 1/4 teaspoon of salt. So what you're gonna do is you're gonna combine the flour, the baking soda, and the salt together and mix them. You're going to add the beaten egg to the sugar and butter mixture. And then you can use the electric beater. You will also need to add 1 teaspoon of pure vanilla extract. One and 1/2 cup of mashed banana. So it's around 4 pieces of banana. It depends on the size of the banana. But you can also adjust it if you want to put more, like 2 cups of banana instead of 1 and 1/2. For this recipe, I use 1 and 1/2 cup of banana because I am adding raisins and also the chocolate chips. That's why I adjusted the banana. Right here, I'm adding the mashed banana into the mixture. I'm adding the mashed banana into the mixture. Right here, I'm adding 2 cups of all-purpose flour. At this point, I do not use the egg beater because I already added the mashed banana on it. So I don't want the banana to be blended even further. So I want to maintain a little bit of lumpiness on it. Right here, I'm adding 1/2 cup of raisins. And I'm also adding around 1/4 cup of chocolate chips. At this point, the batter is already all mixed up, so I'm pouring it into the battered glass pan. I'm giving it a little shake so it will level. I also use the spatula to level it even more. While you are mixing the batter, you can preheat the oven at 350 degrees Fahrenheit. At this point, it already reached 350 degrees Fahrenheit. This is after 60 minutes or 1 hour. Right here, I'm using a toothpick to see if the cake is fully cooked. At this point, you're gonna have to let it cool for around 10 minutes minimum. After 10 minutes, I was able to remove the bread out of the glass pan. Right here, I'm slicing the banana bread, and it will be great to serve for breakfast or also for snack. It's up to you. It's really yummy when it's warm too.